Hello all. Um, I wanted to make this video for how I made my custom desktop workstation. None of the tables available in the market, even if I am ready to pay $3,000 or even 5,000, we get this kind of table, and I'm very much happy with this particular table what I have set up, and it is highly ergonomic, and it can hold up to 3 monitors, and I have a moving carriage keyboard as well. I'm going to explain what I did. Possibly I will try to share some pictures also of how I built it. I am giving this idea for you for free. Go build your custom table for yourself, and make your life more productive. So first of all, let me explain my cabinets here. I got this from Walmart. All small stuffs, very well organized. Look at this. This is like writing, and this is for sticky notes, Bluetooth cables, everything very well organized. Okay, remotes, touch assistant, bank cards, or whatever, very well organized. uh, Now, and that is this side. Actually, it's not part of the table, but I'm just explaining because I'm showing it to you. And all the stuff here very well organized. I got these cabinets. I think they are Sterlite cabinets I got from Walmart. Very well organized. Anything I want, I can get it in seconds or minutes. Okay, see if you want to take this idea. And then let's come to this table. Okay, so this table here, so it's very much ergonomic. Unlike the traditional tables, this is a step table. Okay, I have a step here. If you look at the side here, it is step. Okay, see there is a step. Why I did this way? All right. So look at this. I have this carriage here, the keyboard carriage. So it can move around wherever I want. I can keep it. And then I have my split keyboard here. And then when I'm working, here is the most ergonomic move I have. I can, my hands are completely at rest. If you look at my arms, my side arms, they're completely at rest. And then I can use my keyboard here with my hands fully at rest. So that's a big benefit. Your hands are at fully at rest. You will not get this kind of resty arms ergonomics anywhere. Okay, there is no table available in market which is something like this. Now that is about it. Now let me move on to other features. I'm going to explain how I made it last. And look at this rack. Okay, this is completely removable rack. Okay, so it has a stand, settle stand here, removable stand. Okay, it is just sitting here. Okay, and just from the back view it looks like this. There's one more monitor. It was here. I had a broken Mac, I removed, so you can have 3 monitors here. And this particular stand is completely removable. It is just sitting here. All right. And look at the other side. There is one more supporting bar there. And after that, look at my another rack here. I can keep my legs here. Okay, I can keep my legs for rest when I am working. Okay, can you see my legs here? When I am working, I can just stretch my legs and rest. And also I can keep whatever other stuff I want here side to my legs, very easily accessible. I have my heater. If you see, I have my air heater. I can keep it there conveniently. And then let me explain other stuff. That is about the leg rack here, or we can use it for other stuff also. And look at these two support columns. Okay, for extra weight, lower weight, I put these support columns here. There's one more support column here. All right, another support column. And this whole board, whatever the step board what I have, is completely removable. It is just sitting on this frame here. I have a solid frame just with two columns. Okay, the whole table frame is sitting on just the two columns here. And look at this, I have my water drinking can here, okay, for drinking water, very much close accessible. I have everything here, water, whatever I want. And another interesting part is so I have my UPS setup here. And when I'm sitting, I have my leg resting station here. If you see, look at my leg resting station. That's also there, available here. I have my what is that? I just forgot. That is my humidifier. Okay, so that is about the video walkthrough. It's extremely personalized and customized, and keeping so many things next to me handy. While I'm having three monitors, it can hold three monitors here with ergonomic full hand armrest. I can have three laptops here side by side. This is first laptop, and that is the second laptop, and here is the third laptop, just a folded laptop. Okay, so that is about it. Let me know what do you think about this. I prefer you do it yourself. I wanted to patent this idea and take it to production, but I don't think that's going to happen. I'm going to also add some pictures about how I built it. I think it should be self-explanatory, showing the pictures. And now, before I add the pictures, I will just give you some brief. The bottom frame, basically it has, the first part is this bottom frame, okay? The bottom frame is all together with the resting legs here. That is first part. And then this leg rest is separate part here. All right. And the board, the top board, the step board is separate one piece. It's just sitting on the frame, okay? Everything is highly portable and we can move it anywhere we want. And then this whole top rack, this top rack is completely removable. You see here, I can lift it also. It is removable. And I have these support columns here for both of them. For heavy weight, I have this column 1, support column 1 for the board. As required, it will work. And another support column. That's it. And obviously, this is a carpet floor. I have put 2 boards down for a good basement. You may also, if it is carpet floor, you may also have to put this board. I got everything from Home Depot. And then these stickers, this cover stickers, I got it from Amazon. They're sticky. You just have to peel and stick. That's it. And as I told you, all this wood material is from Home Depot. And just simple handy tools. Okay. So screws, impact drills. And then cutting machine. You need one circular saw cutting machine. I think that should do. Maybe I'll give some pictures and tools of what I used. See if you can do it or you can do better. Let me know.